Hello everyone, it's Linda from Full Moon Studio. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. I've got a little kit share for you today. I've got this wonderful rainbow kit from Cara Brand and Creations. I will link Cara's Facebook group and Etsy shop down below for you. Actually, I've got three kits, Rainbow Collage kits, and the first one is warm colours, the second one is cool colours, and then I've also got an ephemera kit that goes with it. So I will just very quickly go through this for you. Now, you know I've been away for 6 weeks, and Mr. Mac very kindly printed this out, sent it down to me, and literally all I did with it was make that cluster. So I've got a little piece missing off the first page, but that was it. And I've brought the whole kit back with me. So I do need to get on and use it, but I thought I'd share it with you first. So let me show you. There are 15 pages in the warm kit and 15 pages in the cool kit. 5 different colours. So that was page 1 of the reds. And it's beautiful. It's so me. It's nature themed. I just love it. So lots of butterflies, birds, flowers, and then super ephemera behind. So it's gorgeous. I won't talk for ages about each page, but I will just do a flip through for you. So that's the second red one. That is the third red one with the lovely roses. Then we move on to orange. So again, lovely pictures. Got some nice mushrooms in there. That's the next page, and this is the final orange. Then we've got the yellows. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this. I think it's an old wallpaper. So that's the first one of those, and that's the second, and that is the third one of the yellows. Then we've got pale pink, a very pale pastel pink. It's really, really pretty. And yeah, just pretty colours. As I say, I'm not going to talk too much about them. Just super. And then we've got this lovely bright pink. Okay, so there's 3 pages of bright pinks, and that is the warm one. So then we move on. Let me just move that for a second to the cool colours. So we've got these lovely sort of lime greens and yellows. More lime. Sort of lemon and lime, I suppose you'd call that, wouldn't you? So that's 3 of those. Then this rather lovely sort of very pale aqua. There's 3 pages again of those. And then we've got these lovely dark blues. So another 3 pages of dark. 1, 2, and 3. And then finally there's some more greens. So they're starting to go into deeper greens now. So 1, 2, and that's the last one. So that's the cool kit. And then finally there's a wonderful set of ephemera. So there's a whole set of tags to start with. So obviously pink and red, the pale pink and the orange. And so there's 3 tags, 2 quite large ones. This one's slightly smaller, so you could layer them. The limey green and the yellow, the deeper green and the pale blue, the deeper blue and the violet. And then all of the tags, the pattern tags, are shrunk down onto the one sheet here. And this one I have printed out twice. I think I've got a new printer. I've got the new got an Epson Eco Tank, and I'm still messing about with the settings. And this, I printed the whole thing out on Epson paper, which is not cheap, and it's single-sided, so you've got this sort of cream on the background. And then this is my regular photo mat paper that I usually use, my koala paper from Amazon, which is about half the price. And frankly, if you look at the colours, I honestly can't see a difference. So I am going to stick with my photo mat paper, but my slightly cheaper one, my koala. I don't recommend plain paper. It doesn't print very well, but this is great. And so what I've got here are the little ephemera pieces, and this again is koala paper, but it's sticker paper. So I just thought I'd put all the extra ephemera bits out on the sticker paper just to make it quicker and easier to use. So yellow and purple, the 2 different shades of pink. Look at the shoe, isn't it really cute? Red and orange, the blues, the lovely greens, and then there's 2 more sheets with the ephemera shrunk down again. So that's the warm colours and that's the cool colours. So it's an absolutely fabulous, well, set of kits, if you like. And the one thing that I have noticed, it made me laugh so much, this piece of ephemera at the front here, Clarence Studios, Kingston upon Thames. Well, I grew up literally maybe 5 miles from Kingston upon Thames. It's where we went shopping. You know, it was the main shopping town. And also, if you know Debbie Abuzagari, who has a YouTube channel, it's also on Cara's design team. She grew up a few miles from Kingston on Thames, kind of in the other direction. But we had great time, you know, swapping anecdotes about what we remembered about shopping there. So yeah, this is obviously a kit with a little bit of meaning for me. So thank you all very, very much for watching. Obviously, I will be back to show you what I'm making with it. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.